Top 5 Cutting-Edge Gadgets of 2024. In this constantly evolving tech landscape, these gadgets represent the pinnacle of human ingenuity, promising to redefine our daily experiences. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, a fashion-forward tech user, or an audiophile seeking the perfect sound, these gadgets cater to diverse preferences. Join us on this exciting journey into the future, exploring the innovative designs, functionalities, and limitless possibilities these cutting-edge gadgets offer. Embrace the future, stay tuned, and witness how these technological marvels seamlessly integrate into our lives, bringing a touch of magic to the everyday. Want a drone that's more than just a flying camera? Discover the DJI A2S, a compact marvel with a 5.4K video capture. Number 5. DJI A2S. Let me introduce you to the DJI A2S, a drone that embodies sophistication and technological prowess. This compact marvel is a powerhouse featuring a state-of-the-art 1-inch CMOS sensor that delivers breathtaking 5.4K video capture. Designed for seamless operation, it comes with automated flight and safety features, ensuring a smooth and secure flying experience. Weighing a mere 600 grams, this all-in-one aerial wonder becomes the perfect companion for on-the-go creators, offering unparalleled convenience. With an impressive transmission range stretching up to 12 kilometers and innovative shooting modes like master shots, this drone integrates artificial intelligence seamlessly, empowering users to effortlessly capture the perfect shot with just a simple touch of a button. Priced at $999, the DJI A2S stands as a definitive testament to the pinnacle of drone technology, making it an unrivaled and wise investment for discerning enthusiasts who seek cutting-edge capabilities and exceptional aerial performance. Can you envision a smartphone without a screen? Enter the Humane AI Pin. How does this screenless marvel redefine our interaction with technology? Number 4. Humane AI Pin. Meet the Humane AI Pin, a game-changing standalone device with an operating system fueled by the wonders of artificial intelligence. This nifty wearable comes in a compact and square design, easily attachable to any piece of clothing. Packed with various sensors, it's all about supporting contextual and ambient computing interactions. Powering its digital assistant is none other than Openais GPT-4 large language model, LLM, and the cutting-edge AI technologies from Microsoft. Picture this, a smartphone without a screen but equipped with a camera, speaker, and microphone. Want a minimalistic display on your palm or wall? You got it. The cool designers recommend steering clear of screens and opting for direct interaction with AI services through voice commands. The price tag? A cool $700. It's not just a gadget, it's a cell phone alternative meant to be your wearable companion throughout the day, bringing a touch of innovation and convenience to your lifestyle. Ready to upgrade your eyewear to the next level of sophistication? Meet the Amazon Echo Frames, 3rd generation. Number 3. Amazon Echo Frames, 3rd generation. So what's new from Amazon? It's the 3rd edition of Echo Frames. Those smart audio glasses that have Alexa built right into them. These glasses are not just a sleeker version, they're lighter and offer even better audio quality. If you're thinking about the price, it's $270. Now, what makes these glasses stand out is that they're not trying to be fancy augmented reality goggles. Nope, they're all about blending that voice assistant magic seamlessly into your everyday eyewear, making it look effortlessly cool. Now the Echo Frames, 3rd generation, aren't just about being a style statement. They're like your hands-free communication hub. Imagine chatting away without needing to lift a finger and controlling your smart home, all without digging into your pocket for your phone. Crafted from top-notch materials, these glasses are not just about tech. They're about enhancing your style game. Are you worried about those screen-induced headaches? No problem. They've got lenses that filter out that pesky blue light, making your eyes comfy and glare-free. Plus, they're so lightweight and comfortable that you can rock them all day long without any hassle. It's like having a personal assistant right on your face, bringing convenience and style together seamlessly. Want a tablet that goes beyond tech specs and prioritizes eye comfort? Meet the award-winning TCL Nxtpaper 12 Pro. Number 2. TCL Nxtpaper 12 Pro. Check out this excellent 12-inch Android tablet from TCL. It's not your ordinary tablet. It's got something special called the Nxtpaper screen. Now, what's so cool about this screen? It's like magic for your eyes. It's designed to be kinder to your eyes by cutting down on that harsh blue light that usually comes from screens. And guess what? No more annoying reflections either, making it super easy to see your stuff no matter where you are. This tablet isn't just about tech specs. It's visually appealing and comes with some serious advantages over its competition. The Nxtpaper screen is not just gentle on your eyes, but also makes drawing and writing way more enjoyable. Even though the screen might not seem as razor sharp, it still gives you plenty of detail with its high resolution of 2160 x 1440. So it's like having a tablet that's not just cool, but also takes care of your eyes. This tablet stands out from the crowd, offering features that no other device can match, and that's why it's getting all the awards. Ready to be your DJ? Unleash customization with the Soundcore app on the excellent AeroFit Pro. Number 1. AeroFit Pro. They're like the rock stars of earbuds. These excellent buds not only look sleek, but also give you a unique audio experience. Imagine this. You pop them in, and suddenly, you're in your world, grooving to your favorite beats. They're not just earbuds. They're a fusion of style and functionality, making your music experience top-notch. What's remarkable is that they don't block out the world. Instead, they gracefully dance along with the rhythm of your surroundings. And let's talk about convenience. They've got a detachable neckband, making them not just stylish but also easy to use. Are they worried about breaking a sweat during your workout? No problem. These earbuds are like champs with their excellent IPX5 water resistance. Whether you're into sports or outdoor adventures, they've got your back. But you can enjoy your music marathon for a whopping 15 hours on a single charge. That's like a whole day of non-stop music fun. And if you're someone who loves to fine-tune things, the Soundcore app lets you customize button controls and EQ settings. It's like having your DJ tailoring everything to fit your style. All this awesomeness comes at a price of $169.99, and you can snag them on the Soundcore website. The DJI A2S, with its exceptional 5.4K video capture and artificial intelligence integration, stands out as the go-to drone for aerial enthusiasts. In a league of its own, the Humane AI Pin challenges traditional smartphones, offering a screenless experience powered by Openais GPT-4 and Microsoft's AI technologies. The Amazon Echo frames, 3rd generation, redefine the intersection of style and technology, prioritizing hands-free communication and smart home control. The TCL Nxtpaper 12 Pro distinguishes itself with the eye-friendly Nxtpaper screen, prioritizing comfort without sacrificing visual appeal. Meanwhile, the AeroFit Pro emerges as the rock star of earbuds, blending style and functionality with customizable features. The criteria for selection and ranking consider innovation, functionality, design, and user experience, ensuring each gadget brings something distinctive to the table. This comparative analysis provides insights into how these gadgets cater to diverse preferences, enhancing convenience and redefining daily experiences. As we wrap up this exploration of cutting-edge gadgets, envision the possibilities these innovations bring to your life. Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography with the DJI A2S, embrace a screenless future with the Humane AI Pin, or seamlessly integrate Alexa into your eyewear with Amazon Echo frames, 3rd generation? Perhaps eye-friendly tablets like the TCL Nxtpaper 12 Pro or the Rockstar Earbuds AeroFit Pro are on your wish list. Share your thoughts in the comments, and remember to subscribe for more exciting content. If you're as intrigued as we are, you might find these gadgets transforming not only your lifestyle, but also your affiliate journey. Thanks for joining us.